Hi, today I'm running Lenovo Tab N10 Plus and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see notifications volume panel, and just to mute notifications we should slide to the left side this dot on notification volume panel. And that's it. Also we have one more way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button. Then click here to the settings icon, and by this way, so just let's do it from the home screen. Press up or down volume button, click to the settings icon, and just by this way we open the same sound settings, and by this way we can mute notification volume also. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.